If you are wondering what is the recommended charger for Realme Note 70T, then we can find some information about it on one of the sides of the boxes. So over here, in this case, at least in the European version, we have this graphic information about the recommended charger. It should have 5 to 15 watts. So ideally, you want to have a 15 watts charger or power adapter, because this is the maximum amount of watts that we can use on this smartphone while charging the battery, of course. You can use a stronger charger that has, for example, 30 watts or 50 watts, etc., but they won't make any difference compared to a power adapter that has 15 watts. It won't make it faster. If you're wondering what brand you should get, what the manufacturer should be of your power adapter, then of course ideally you want to use a Realme charger. However, feel free to use any other well-known brand as well, such as Xiaomi or Samsung or Motorola or something similar. These brands can also be used. I mean, power adapters from these brands can also be used. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.